kind friend, Abiodun, December's assistant celebrant to Jesus himself. Because only you, Abiodun, can share a month with the King of Kings and still keep us laughing while you do it. From the heart of Kwara State, you have brought so much wisdom, life, and pure entertainment to everyone who knows you. You are that rare gem who will help anyone, but not without a proper roasting first. Because what's life without your classic sarcastic response to keep us humble? Your humor is unmatched, your energy is contagious, and your willingness to give, even when it's inconvenient, is something truly special. May this year bring you even more wisdom, joy, and all the success you deserve. As you celebrate today, remember you are the gift that keeps on giving, and the world is a much better place with you in it. Though your sarcasm might argue otherwise, cheers to more laughter, more life, and more Yusuf moments ahead. Ọmọ Lọ́rin Àfọ̀njá, ìlú tó tóbi báwùn tẹ léegun, ẹṣin léegun lé bàbá yín àkọ́kọ́ lóòbẹ̀. Ìlà ọmọdé fi kálámù dáwọn lẹ́kùn à ń ṣe kọ́ńdúkọ́ńdú. Wọ́n èlù lágbàdì ìkéwú ni wọ́n ń ké. Ọmọ tó wú pẹ̀lú ọmọ àṣà àdúrà àgbọ̀yẹ. Ilé Àfọ̀njá ìlú dùn ojú yọ. Ìlú tó jìnnà síná tó súnmọ́ lù jọ̀nà mẹ́bọ̀n nílé rẹ̀ Abiodun. Àṣeyí ṣe ọmọdún ọdún ayọ̀ lọ́gbìn wọ́n ṣe. Ọdún owó, ọdún ọlá, ọdún dùnú, ọdún ikú tí ń ṣe báyìí ọ̀rọ̀ ló mọ̀ ṣe lágbára wa idù. Ó wà ní tètè kú, ó ní tètè kú, mo rántí wọn là lójú rẹ̀ o. Abiodun, ogún ọdún, ogún ìyèdùn, gbogbo rẹ̀ lónìí lọ́dún tuntun yìí. Àṣeyí ṣàmọ́dún, àṣàmọ́dún ṣẹ̀mí.